Hey, welcome to ChatLab. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a human support contact form. And in the second part, I'll walk you through configuring lead collection. So if you're ready, let's get started. Your chatbot can display the human support contact form when it doesn't have the right answer or when the user directly requests help. After submitting the form, the message is sent to your human support team. To get started, first go to the ChatLab admin panel, then to Chatbot Settings, Human Support, and under Human Support, you can see Human Support Contact Form. Enable the form and customize the messages. So here we have the encouraging message and the thank you message. So make sure you write something that encourages your users to send a message. And set the email address where notifications should be sent. This should be the address of your support team. So you can configure the chatbot to show the form, for example, after exchanging a certain number of messages, or when the chatbot detects that human help is needed, for example, when it can't answer a certain question. Once the human support contact form is enabled, you'll notice an envelope icon in the top right corner. Users can instantly open the form whenever they need help. So this can be also user-initiated. And now it's time to test it. Let's ask a complex question. Let's say, what's the phone number for the press office? The chatbot detects that it can't answer the question and offers to contact human support. When you confirm, the contact form appears. And after filling out the form, the message is sent to the support inbox. You can also review the conversation in the chat logs. And now it's time for the lead collection. Lead collection helps you gather contact details directly from the chatbot to follow up or analyze trends. So for that, go to ChatLab admin panel, Chatbot Settings, and Lead Collection. Enable the lead collection and choose whether to collect email, phone number, or maybe both. Customize the field labels to fit your style, and the form appears after a certain number of messages. Let's set this to 3. This would mean we have an engaged customer who is our potential customer. Let's see it in action. When enabled, the chatbot will show the form at the configured moment. Once submitted, you can review the collected leads in Lead section in Chatbot and export them to a CSV file. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.